Welcome back students. In this video I am going to discuss about the new feature in Excel which is known as quick analysis. Now through quick analysis it's not like you are using something new, means it's going to use same conditional formatting chart, or let's say you are creating a table or you are doing a sum, but it's going to suggest you on the basis of data. Let's say I have selected this particular data, and the moment you will do the selection of value based data, mostly you will get to see this option. So here you can see the symbol. Let me set my cursor over here, and here you will get to see quick analysis. Shortcut is control plus q. You can click. Now once you will click, you will get to see these few tabs option. First one is a formatting, which is conditional formatting, then charts, totals, tables, and spark lines. So right now we are in formatting, and let's say if I'm going for this particular option, I'm not going to select this. You can see in the background how it's affecting the data. So that's the data bars, and here you can see it is showing that based on value the bars are completely filled if the value is high, otherwise it's low. Apart from this, you may go for this color scheme. You may go for this icon set option as well. This is the greater than option. Again, this is the top 10% option, and whatever formatting you have applied, you can clear that as well with the help of this one. Now let me go to the chart. Now in the chart, it's going to recommend the chart to you based on the data. So here you can see clustered, this is scattered, this is line. So you can go for whatever kind of chart you want to drag into this data. Now apart from this, you can see this option of totals, and I can click over here in order to get few more options. So here let's say I want to use sum or average. Here you can see the result which is coming over here. So let's say I want to get sum, so I'm clicking on sum, and gone are the days when you need to do it manually, and here you can see you can get the sum. So that's how it's work, and that much of a ease is going to provide. Now apart from this totals, there is this option of table, means you can convert this particular data into table by simply click over here. And you can go for the option of spark lines. So there are 3 spark lines overall, and let's say I want to represent this data in this particular spark line, so that's how it's going to represent. Fine, let me press Ctrl Z. Now apart from this, while you have made a selection of data, there is analysis, and you can go for the chart option over here. It's going to suggest. However, there is a recommended chart option as well. So for this, let me open the data first. So here I have got the data. I'm going to do the selection. We'll go to insert, and here you can see the option is coming of recommended charts. I can click over here, and I will get the recommendation based on this data. This is the first recommendation, second, third, and in whatever manner I want to present it, I can. After that, definitely manually I can do some changes if I wish to. So this is all about quick analysis and recommended chart options. These are the things introduced by Excel in order to make things easy for us. As I always say, the more advanced the version is, the more easy for you to work. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.